Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping. Today, we're celebrating our online anniversary. Mr. Blackhead and I started putting videos on the internet back in 1997. 1997? Adam, was there even internet back then? How old are we? In celebration, let's take a look at some of our favorite videos from the past few years. Remember this video on our channel, Mr. Popper? It has 10 million views and shows calcified debris in the tonsils, known as tonsil stones. It was one of the first tonsil stone videos on the net. And this video includes George's dilated pore of Weiner. It also has 10 million views. George was a partner of ours from Florida, but he is no longer online. Max's infected pimple was also a controversial one. Max is a transgender Facebook friend of ours who had several battles with staph infections. With 7 million views, is this trypophobia video. Mr. Blackhead was the first to bring trypophobia videos to YouTube. So for all you folks who are triggered by lotus pods, we are sorry about that, but not too sorry.
Hey, my name's Leah. I'm checking in with Thynergy. I've been on it for 4 months now, and I am continuously still losing weight. I have a lot more energy. My dog's super happy because he gets to go on a lot more walks, and we actually did a 8-mile hike last weekend, which was a lot of fun.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Thynergy. Available exclusively from Amazon, Thynergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace.
Thynergy, you guys are helping people lose weight.
This is a shout out to the team at Thynergy.
Thynergy.
To all the crew at Thynergy, I wanted to just tell you guys to keep losing all the weight. You're doing amazing, and congrats on hitting your goals.
I highly recommend Thynergy. I think you should give it a shot.